Utilizing the IDS standard for information specifications. In this video, we see how adopting the IDS standard enables access to services and software solutions specifically designed to manage the creation, evaluation, and validation of the expected information specifications within the employer's information requirements, EIR, and BIM execution plans, BEP. Once logged in and the file to be validated is identified, we open the model in read-only mode. Within the usBIM browser window, from the context menu, you can launch the application by clicking on the usBIM.IDS icon in the Applications menu. In the right section, the application interface is displayed, allowing you to select a specification directly from the cloud. Alternatively, you can import specifications directly from your PC. Once the specification is chosen, the application quickly processes the validation result, providing any notifications or alerts.